Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to restart your laptop. So the usual way to do that is by clicking the Start button, selecting Power Options, and then clicking Restart. But if you can't access this menu since your display is frozen, then the other option you have is simply by holding down the power key, which is located on the right edge of your PC. If you can see it right here, there's also a light lit up next to it. So just press and hold it for a while until this light goes off. Okay, and right now our device is switched off, so what we have to do now is simply click on the power button again and wait until the laptop boots up. And basically that's how you restart your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.